Well, it's a great machine trimmer. I had it for about 2 weeks right now, and I made sure I tested out before I do this review. And I wanted to make sure about the nuts part. Listen, full body, including beard, hair, trim, everywhere. I mean, it works good. It lasts about 120 minutes before charging again. I think it took me about an hour to charge this, and you can see right here. You just press it on. It tells you right here if the how much percentage is the battery, and it has a light in case you gotta reach any hard spot. The nuts, this light comes in handy. It's a safe machine. It does not cut you. It's made really well. It's very lightweight, good grip, waterproof, and you could push right here to change the head. I'm gonna show you what came in the box. You have a full charger, not halfway. Comes with a head part. Most company does not send you that. Comes with a brush to clean it out afterward, and you have a comb for a higher level, and this is my favorite right here. This here comes on right there. I'm going to show you too. And what you could do, you could go from 0 to 10. So you turn it up this way and it literally moves. You see that? So it's one in all. So you don't need like 20 different comb type. You just use this one, and it works really good. What I liked about it, comes with this nice little stand right here, and it's non-slip, so you can put it under the sink or whatever. It doesn't move, and you put that in right there. I'm telling you. So my favorite part is that you could use this in the shower while you're taking the shower, because it's waterproof and it's a nice like rubber feel. It's not too heavy. It's very actually light, and I like this grip. I love the flashlight. I never had any with a flashlight before. And as I said, the blade is pretty good. Check in the description box for more price and details, and they sell more blades and a different machine, and it's affordable price, and it's a good machine, a good quality. Overall, I enjoy it, I like it, and I'm using it, and I always use a lot of machine because I shave a lot, so this is very handy and very powerful. So it's a good company. I know the names, everybody's gonna crack about it because there's Happy Nuts, Happy Wife, you know what I mean? But I gotta tell you, it works really good. They actually really did a great job getting those nuts. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in Product Zone.